Hi, good morning. I'm gonna do some pasta this morning, and you can see I have the ground beef. See it here, put it over the ground beef. The ground beef, and this I cut up sweet pepper, garlic, onion, thyme, and scallion. Okay, you can see garlic, lots of garlic and everything. So I would like you to like, share, pepper too, like, put it over, like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Clair do her pasta. I'm doing some pasta for them today, and this is the way I do it. I'm marinating up the ground beef. You can see ground beef, lots of ground beef. And the sauce, I'm gonna put it over it. You can see the sauce. You can see the sauce. See it? I use a lot of sauce. Okay? This is the way I do my pasta. So I like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to it. Touch the notice button. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Not charging. Follow me. Like up. Share it. Tell friend, cousin, auntie, brother, sister, each and every one that this is the way Auntie Clair do his pasta sauce and cook it up. So just run come, taste it, delicious. Follow Auntie Clair. Peace out. Love it. Share. Subscribe. Like. Don't forget. Follow. Share. Like. Subscribe to it, Don't forget to touch the notice button. Say something. Follow grandma.
And don't forget to follow Auntie Clair.
Yes. And a nice pasta sauce. That's we like. Say it.
And that nice pasta sauce.
Yes. So peace out.